At the start of the summer, water temperatures at the bottom of the Florida Keys reef track reached the 90s.
And those reefs out there actually begin to break down the wave energy. So it reduces the amount of erosion and flooding that we have on shore.
USF's Keys Marine Lab stepped in to save more than 5,000 corals. The marine animals were housed on land in one of the largest temperature-controlled seawater systems.
So we knew that we had a long, hot summer ahead of us, and we were afraid that the corals wouldn't be able to survive that length of time at that temperature.
After months of caring for these corals, now begins the process of putting them back in the ocean.
One strategy is to pound metal nails into the reef, and then you take the coral and you zip tie it around the nail, and it eventually stabilizes, and actually epoxy or cement the base of the coral to the reef and let them grow that way.
Dr. Cynthia Lewis and her team care for 6 different coral species, some of which are endangered or threatened.
This is the part that gives all of us hope. This is the story we wanted to tell, that these corals are going to go back to the reef. They're going to rebuild those nurseries, vital to the restoration for the reef in the coming years.
Lewis says when ocean temps rise again, her team is ready for the next coral rescue mission. In St. Pete, Malik Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.
All right, so scientists on this project tell us it could take months for all of the coral to be returned to the ocean.